Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents to PDF through online or offline. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first is you need to open your Microsoft Word. So if you want to convert this into PDF without using internet, just go to the upper left side of your screen. It has this file. Click that and it will appear list of the options here. Just go for print and make sure that under this printer it is in Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay? After that, go for print. Click that and it will not actually print your document. This will just lead you to the location where you want to save your document. Okay? So let's say for example, let's go to desktop and then let's rename it PDF 11 saved. And when we close this, we can actually see the Microsoft document that we have just converted PDF 11 is there at our desktop. Okay? So let's say we want to save also our Microsoft Excel document to PDF. How? Go for file again, same process, saved, print, then make sure that this Microsoft Print to PDF is in default and go for print again. Here it will redirect you to the location where you want to save your PDF document. You can go with downloads, documents, or desktop and you can put a file name on it. Let's go with PDF 22 saved. After that, when we close this, we can also see the PDF 22 in our desktop screen. Okay? So let's say, for example, you want to save also your PowerPoint into PDF. How? Just go with the same process again. Click on File, Print. Make sure that this Microsoft Print to PDF is in default. Then click on Print and select the location where you want to save again. And let's go with PDF 33 and save. Okay? So when we close this again, you can see that the PDF 33 is there at our desktop, which contains our PowerPoint document. Okay, so if you want to do another step through online, then just visit any of your favorite website. Let's go with Google Chrome. And once you're being redirected here, search for PDF online converter, then click enter to proceed. Okay, so once you're here, go with the first option, click that, and in this website, which called PDF Filler, you can simply upload your document to convert it either to PowerPoint, JPEG, or PDF. Okay, just click the select from device and you will be redirected to your file explorer and choose the document that you want to save. Click it, then open, and it will be converted into PDF instantly. Okay? So that is the easy step on how to convert Word, Excel, or PowerPoint document through online or offline. Hope you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.